Very good morning, students. Today our topic in Olympic value education, that is objectives of IOA. See, earlier it was IOC, International Olympic Committee, and now national level, that is Indian Olympic Association. What is the duties of Indian Olympic Association, that is IOA? First duty, development and promotion of Olympic movement. Time to time participation of Olympics of the national teams and all. This is the responsibility. They make sure that our participation is there in the Olympic. Second one, enforcement of all rules and regulation of IOC and IOA. What are those rules set by IOA, Indian Olympic Association, and IOC in the field of sports? Those rules are enforced or implemented in the national level. To be the official organization in complete form and responsible for all matters related to Olympic event. Whatever Olympic events related matters are there, those all everything official organization in the our national arena. Promotion and encouragement of physical, moral and cultural education of the youth people. Means that is physical activities. IOA, they make sure that every school is conducting time to time physical activities, moral and cultural education for the students and young people. Then admitting the membership of State Olympic Association and National Sports Federation, for which submission of their annual report and audit statement of account if it is necessary. Now different federation, here word federation is used. Now in our country, for every game there is a separate federation. Suppose basketball federation of India is there, boxing federation, athletic, football federation of India. All those federations are there as per the game, and all they are running independent to development of their particular game. So IOA, Indian Olympic Association, they are looking after all the federation, and they are providing funds and all to the federation for development of sports, and they demand annual report from the federation about the game, and audit also IOA can do as and when necessary. Next is to undertake with assistance of National Sports Federation the financial management, transportation, maintenance and welfare of teams from India taking part in Olympic Games. So our national level teams, let it be of any game like athletic or football or basketball, volleyball, any of the game, they make sure that federation is providing financial assistance to the team, any kind of movement, journey or maintenance and welfare of those Indian team. Next, take disciplinary action against any federation for misbehavior or any other undesirable activity bringing discredit to the country. Bringing discredit to the country मीन्स अपना नाम खराब करता है, अपने देश का नाम बदनाम करता है. Any kind of disciplinary action can be taken against the federation. And what discredit they can bring, which way their discredit they can bring, when our team has gone for participation and all, or during the national coaching camp and national level sports activity, if it is found anybody is taking the doping means medicine, with help of those performance enhancing medicine or undue advantage any player want to take to win the medal, that disciplinary action will be taken against the federation as well as against the individual, because this kind of act bring discredit to the nation. In cooperation with the National Sports Federation Association, organize and control the selection, training, coaching for the teams. See, by having the liaison with the IOA have the liaison with the sports federation of particular game, and they, with help of federation, they control the selection of the players. There should not be any discrimination in the selection criteria, where training should be kept for them. All training facilities should be provided, and coaching, coach and related things, all it is provided by the IOA. Then next, to enforce and defend the exclusive right of the association to use Olympic flag and Olympic insignia, means all association, this Olympic association makes sure that all federation and all, they use the Olympic flag and Olympic insignia. There should not be any kind of misconduct. That also comes under the discredit if there is misuse of the flag, Olympic flag or Olympic insignia. Today's lecture is over here. Take care, be healthy. Thank you. Have a good day.